Left the equal highs there at 58. That we were looking to get taken out kind of last night. Triple equal highs. Triple equal highs. Up there at the 58. So we'll kind of see. Looking for a trade today. Look for a spot. We'll see if we can get something. Good morning, Zomi. We'll check out the news here in a minute. Once a few more people get in here. Good morning, Captain Price. Donovan McNabb. Morning, Robert. John, how's it going? Pops on your feet. Let's go. Finally. Oh, I think we run into the 58, but how did we get there? I don't know. Don't quite know how we get there. Don't know how we get there. Mark, take some of these off. I don't even know what they are. We don't need that on there. I mean, really, that level there. If we can run through that, we still have. You still have this down here at 866. That's a decent level. But I don't know. What do we got? London low. Out here to the left, we still have that 93. Okay. All right, so we'll see kind of what happens. 58's got those triple equal highs. I think that's probably where we're going. I'd like for it to wait for open, but it's not going to. What up, Futures Trader 33? It's probably not going to. So, yeah, news 9:45 and 10. I think we got, I can't remember, maybe existing home sales at 10 and PPI or something like that at 9:45. So probably push through the 58.50 before we open. Otherwise, I'd probably be looking for something through there. A little too late to do anything on it. May as well wait. If we pop the 50 psych level here, probably get a nice candle here right through that 58. Let's see if it goes. Should get a little pop here, in my opinion. Good morning, Just Ain't Right. How's it going, Timbo? Just a quick pop. Room beats, yeah, I'm longish. I think we're long biased today to the 22-111. Gets hit. Good morning, Mad Moxie. How you doing? Trader Monk in the house. Design knob only goes to the north. How's the ES looking today from overnight? Let's see. I mean, it depends on where Kid Poker, if he took profit last night. I know he was short at one point. I mean, it did trade down to the 138. So, don't know if he took profit. Good morning, Anna. He was in profit, though, for sure, at some point. I don't know if he got 10 points. I think he said 10 points design. I don't know if he got 10 points. I don't remember where his entry was. Do not remember where his entry was, so let's pop through. Let's just get through the 50 here and just pop it. May as well. Just pop it through there. Just pop it right through there. Water app. What up, Bassett? How's it going, Pip Hunter? Good morning. Hey, Adonis. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription or your membership. You demand. Clarity, good morning. It's holding up here at the 50. I do think if we pop the 50, we get a decent sized candle. Let's see if it goes. Got that 925 candle coming up here in a moment. Still not quite moving there. Still expecting it to push here. Let's see. We got one more minute till that 924. All right, let's see. Send it, Bassett. Send it. All right, so it looks like we do have news here at 9:45, 10 a.m. We got global manufacturing PMI 9:45, 10 a.m. We have new and existing home sales, not new, existing home sales. Nothing really after that. Pretty much clear after that. So let's see what Mancini says. 8 days of straight up in the ES. 61.35 support, keep 61, 72 and 85 alive. At 35 fails, we dip to 15. So there you go. One more minute. Usually that 925 candle, we get a little push-pull type deal. So you see an injection of a little volatility. A little volatility. Didn't really do anything there today. What up, Pine Tree? Gonna do our best to find a setup. We did request our payouts from Apex last night. Let's see. You can see above me there, $3,100. Also put my expenses up there so you guys know what the expenses are. So this is what we requested. So we won't be trading these accounts today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts we won't be trading. So 503, 533, 523, 500, 599. We'll let you guys know once we get an approval, a denial, whatever. I mean, it should be approved, you know, because we don't do anything we're not supposed to do. I mean, here's the thing. I would love for this thing to leave the 58 level. I mean, I would absolutely love this thing to leave that level up there. It's probably not going to, you know. We'd love that. But we know it's not going to do it. What up, Rob? Good morning. So we are bullish buys today, thinking to push into 22,111 most likely. So we'll see kind of what happens. 22,058 is triple equal highs left from last night. That's also the overnight high. I'm sleepy, guys. Not gonna lie, I'm tired today. I am tired today, feeling the effects. It's been kind of a long week. So yeah, we do get a pullback here at open. I mean, which this is okay. And then we get a long setup out of that. Even with the higher volatility, I will take it. And accept the outcome. Let's see. Two minutes till open here. So let's kind of see what we get here. You know, a little minute and 45 seconds till open. Interesting. Very small 30-second setup here. I mean, it's 4.5 points. Not perfect setup, but as bullish as we are, I do think it probably works. I might take this. You might see me jump in here. All right, I'm in. I think we pump here at open. I like the break-even spot. I know it's 30 seconds before open, but and if I get wrecked, I think it's okay. So stop to break even above the high here. This is a dangerous play, but I'm going to take it. I don't normally take these, but all right, we're open. Ah, come on, get through there. Go. Just rip it. Just gets above the high there. I know it goes. Come on. You can do it. Oh, come on. Hold it. Go. Go. Hold it. Oh, goodness. Ah. That's tough. I mean, it is what it is. I thought it was worth it. I don't know. I thought it was worth it. My instinct was almost to take profit there. We're up almost 8 points. So it's one of those setups that I think it's okay. Man, I really wanted to take it off right there, but we were so close to the high. Oh, man, one tick away from the break even there. Probably should have waited, but, you know, hindsight's 20/20 there. That's okay. All right, well, that's going to be my funded trade for the day there, down $200. You win some, you lose some. What up, Stock Tiger? Thank you. We may never hear from Nutty ever again. 3 days not streaming. Yeah, we'll see. Yes, it's pumping. What up, Anna? Good morning, eBirth. Yeah, Bassett. I would have went break even there. I mean, it's tough, but I should have probably just taken the 7 points. I started to, but that's okay. It's quite all right. It's all right. I thought we'd just run through those triple equis. I mean, how do we not? I want to say, like, the last 4 setups that have happened right before the market opened, I've not taken, and all 4 of them have been winners. The one time I take it, of course, you know, goes 8 points, and then is, I mean, it goes 7.75 points, and then just stops. I started, and I wanted to take it off right there. I was like, man, I wanted to take it off. But that's okay. You're long here, Rube? All right. So down $200 there on, I don't know what, probably like 14 or 15 accounts. 13 accounts. So we're going to need basically $400 to get to pay out, I guess, on some of these accounts. Some of them will be 225, 250 away. Thereabouts. Kind of sad on a couple of them. We only needed like $30. Now we need $230, but that's okay. Not concerned with it. I think this is an okay stab. I probably just should have went stop to break even a little quicker. That's all. That 10-point gap here really didn't take out any VWAP long works. Yeah, a recovery of the VWAP there was nice. Push up there 20 points. And I mean, ES is at the 154. It's just hanging out the highs. Nasdaq is not. So either the Nasdaq's going to bring it down or vice versa. One or the other. Sad, sad, sad. I feel okay about it. I mean, I really do. I took a stab and knew the risk. Yeah, they're very out of sync, Bassett. So let's kind of wait and see what we get. Oh man, we should have just taken our 5-6 points there. I should have locked in 5. I don't know. Hindsight's always 20/20, right? I should have locked in 5. I knew if I locked in 5, I would secure 2 payouts, 3 payouts. So I thought about it. Is there a flipping rule? No. Or you can flip 2 days entry, I think, of the 8. So you're good. If you hit the 26.6, you're good. Pretty sure you can flip 2 days. So you should be there. I think it used to be 3. They reduced it to 2. Is that right? Yeah, it is what it is. Accept the loss and move on. I mean, unless I see something A+, I'm not going to take it. And I doubt we get an A+, but we'll see. The rule is 1 loss and walk away. We know we should be following that rule. So You can't buy a 10-point trade today. Yeah, it's tough. Trading Mints, good morning. I was up 7.5 points, 7 3/4 points there. It is a little annoying. I hate when that happens. That's why I'm so quick to take profit sometimes. Because, like, I'd rather have a 6-point trade there and then take a loss. But, man, I don't see how it doesn't get through that 58 level. I really don't. I just thought that it would rip right through there, and she just didn't do it. YM diaper dumpage. RTY. Okay. Yeah, we got news 9:45, news at 10. So we'll see what we get. We shall see what we get. So it's my second red day in the last 11 trading days. Pretty, not bad. 9 out of 11. Can't be too mad, right? It's pretty solid. Bulenox, I think 75% off. Good morning, Kid Poker. Did you take profit last night, Kid Poker? I hope you did. Let me see. Is there something different going on with Bulenox? Just 75% off. But that is option 1 and option 2. Yeah, option 2, 50K. All right, so even the 25K. They don't have a sell on the 25K all that option, but yeah, all that often they have to sell on the 25K. Let's go. Nice job. I was hoping you took profit. Yeah, Kid Poker got the payout. So let's just wait and see what happens here. Speaking of Bulenox, though, I do need to go ahead and do this. Hey, Krista R., welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Look at that rippage right back up there. Yeah, very rough, Bassett, but, you know, yeah, ES is, it's popping now, though. It's up to 54. It's ran the high. Nasdaq did not. We do have a bearish SMT right now. Or a bullish SMT, I guess. ES looking strong. Oh, man, that's so, goodness. That's so sad. Just because that's my break-even point. 2 ticks away. Every time I look at it. 2 ticks away from my break-even. And I followed the rules and didn't move the stop early. So this is nice momentum back up. One could say this is V-shape-ish. I mean, if we get a close back above here. Yeah, Michael, I agree. I agree. And not taking another trade is a win, and that's what I'm not going to do. Now, I am going to take this on another funded account, my Take Profit Trader account. And I will target the 058 on that. If we get the good momentum close here. Even though news is in 4 minutes. And we know following the rules is a win. So, yeah, true, Bassett. I could have, and I don't know if you see me grab the stop. I grabbed the stop and I pulled it up to 5, and I stopped. And I was thinking about dropping it right there. I was even thinking about just going break even and just taking it off at or locking in 5. But I was trying to wait for that wick to be hit. It just didn't happen. It's okay. It's quite all right. You gotta take the good with the bad. I mean, I certainly I could have waited and waited for a better setup, but I'm okay with it. I think it's fine. You have a long open. So, do we want to take out that 5850 level first? I don't know. I'm not liking this long as much now, to be honest. But that push right there is quite nice. So closed above there. Nice momentum. Good momentum there. Really want to see this hold that 30 level and push. And that's not the reaction you want to see. News goes one direction, opposite direction of pre-pump. I have no idea, room. Can't guess. Can't guess. Yeah, it is choppy. All right, here we go. Less than 30 seconds from the news. Let's see what happens. Forming the Tom Sabo box. We are. Indeed, the Sabo box is in play. The Sabo box is in play. I do think the move's probably up, but, I mean, it wouldn't be shocking for us to sweep that 971 first. All right, here's this 945 news, and there we go. So sweep the 58, as quick as you could think about it. So ran those triple equal highs finally after, taking your money. Taking my money. And then running them. You're long paid. Let's go, room. Nice job. I mean, do we just continue to the moon here, or do we start to pull back now? Do have a 30-second short here. After sweeping those triple equal highs, we still have a lot of liquidity down below. I think this is a decent setup if we get momentum through it. I don't love shorting into the VWAP is the only thing, but your break even really right there at the VWAP. Break even is going to be right there. But we'll see. Trading view so slow. Yeah, it's always a little bit. Actually, this is the reaction you want to see at the open. 22.060 is a 4-hour wick. Yeah. We'll see what we get. I mean, I don't think it's unreasonable for us to pull back, take out the 971. But again, ES tapped the 161, kind of pulling back there. Next level up on the ES 172. Do also still have news at 10 a.m. to remember. New existing home sales. So that's in 12 minutes. Yes, pushing back up there to the 60 level. Nasdaq retesting the highs here. Good morning, Prakash. How you doing? Yeah, we'll see, Michael. Pushing through the highs. ES has not gotten there yet. 093 is the next level up. But let's kind of see what we get. Doing good, Prakash. Doing good. We're red this morning on our fundeds, but that's okay. We followed the rules, so can't be mad about it. We followed them rules. That's what we did. So got to be okay with that. ES still has not taken out that high again. ES did, or Nasdaq did. So we do have a little bit of a small SMT here. Rip to 113. It'll be nice. I'm looking for that 111 area to be taken out. It would be nice to rip straight up from here. Maybe we can hold above kind of this 60-70 area for the news in 10 minutes, and then that takes us into 113. That'd be really nice, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Little 9 EMA touch right there. Bouncing off that, holding it. Again, ES kind of pushing back up here. Nasdaq trying to go. ES still has that data wick up there, 162.25. I think it wants to push. Seven, 8 minutes until the data. 7.5. All right, ripping up here. 75s. Can we take it to 111? Let's just boner candle to 111 here. Just one time. Boner to 111. Let's go. What up, Francis Marson? Good morning. See if we can get the boner to 111. We'll see what the news brings. Still got 6 minutes. Beautiful short on YM. What up, Josh? Smash the like button. Appreciate you. I don't know. It feels like we just go to the moon, but we'll see. Just kind of waiting. I mean, not much to do here. I want to see the news take us to that 111, really. So news coming up here in a few minutes. Holding up here at the 60s. Oh, me. ES kind of pulling back there a little bit. About 20 seconds left here on this candle. That's how it closes. Yes, kind of back to that 54 area. You kind of expect that to maybe hold. 4 minutes until news here. I don't know. I just feel like we just go. I feel like we just go to the freaking 111, but we could rocket ship back down. You never know. So let's just kind of see what happens. So close to the news. Not much to do here. Let's wait and see if it rippers. Just kind of holding that level though for now. Kind of holding the level. $71 we go. I don't know, Trev. We'll see. I mean, we got news coming up in 2 minutes here. See if it wants to push up, rip down. I don't know. ES is kind of at that 54 level there. That's key level there on the ES. So kind of holding that 21 EMA too. All right, let me pull this up. $4.11. Doji. I did, Bob. I saw it. I'm not, to be honest with you, I'm not concerned at all, but sounds to me like there's a lot going on behind the scenes that nobody really knows about, so. Dun, dun, dun. Let's switch over to, did I get my... Yeah, we did. Let's switch over to Bulenox. All right, 10 a.m. there. I think this thing just goes. Should wait for a normal setup here, I guess. Let's wait for a normal setup. That was kind of a wah, wah, wah on that news. All right, we're going to see what happens here. Not much so far. We're really right into a chop mode. Right into a chop. Yeah, I think Apex is fine, but I mean, you have to make your own decision. But I think they fine. Oh, speaking of Apex, let's do the 0-day J refresh. Oh, you're all in with Apex. I don't know if I mean you can use other firms for sure. Now we are under review. Under review. I'm gonna stab here, probably above. I might. We'll wait. No, Andrew, I haven't explained anything. Never have. Never have. Boom, boom, boom. The only problem with Apex, the rules are pretty clear, and you have better company with clear rules. Yeah, I mean, I don't. I mean, I think so too. I think the rules are fine. It's just, it is what it is. Do we get another VWAP bounce here? That's the question. Should we take a shot at it? I'm late, obviously. We get to 5 points, maybe like 35. I'll go break even here. Man, I hate this entry though. Way too late. Way too late on this entry. Yeah, just way too late on that entry. Kind of I don't call it a dumb entry, but just too late. See if we can retest that whole number down there, 22,000. Now it's going to want to hold it. If we break it here, we should have a pretty big candle here to the downside. If we break the VWAP. Yeah, Ash, that's what I'm thinking. I think we get a pretty big candle if we get back below this wick. That's kind of what I'm expecting. Probably right into the 22K. There's your retest. Call housekeeping. She shanked the bed. Yeah, there's trend line liquidity down there. Trying to find a spot to kind of jump in. I don't really love shorting into the VWAP though. I'm going to take a stab short here, kind of off these EMAs. Could have maybe had a little bit better entry, but I don't hate it. Doing good, Greg. We were red on the day, but we're doing good. We follow the rules on that account, so I'm not going to be mad about it. I think if we lose the VWAP here, we can go down. Just waiting. $10.08 here. I want to see it lose that VWAP, and I'm going to go break even back below the bottom of that wick and see a little push down. And I might, I mean, we do have some wicks down here too that we could really target. 971's possible. See if we get through the VWAP this time. Got a new 5-minute candle here in 45 seconds. See if we dump on that open. Think she still looks bullish? Yeah, of course. I agree, design. I mean, obviously, I told you my target is 22,111, but I don't think it's unreasonable for us to take out the London low first. Probably not unreasonable. I don't love where this stop is, though, to be honest. It's kind of sitting in the middle of a fair value gap, right in an untested wick. So, can you scalp long as short in the slice and dice garbage? Yeah. All right, here we go. Let's open the 5-minute, see what it does. Considering taking it off. Trying to give it a moment, but I know as soon as I take it off, it'll rip lower. I mean, even if it stops me out here, it's just 10 points. Not that big a deal. Let's just not ruin our weekend. Yeah, behind Wendy's. Yeah, exactly. Oh, good point. VWAP is like a freaking brick wall today. She's a brick house. All right, stop to break even. There's the retest. I want to see it hold below. Hold below, brother. Let's go, Kid Poker. Nice job. Oh my goodness. Really? That's so dirty. Oh, that's annoying right there. I mean, we were up $300 there. 22 points. God dang it. I'm getting back in. An annoyance. Horrible entry, too. Horrible entry. We're down $200, Stock Tiger. $900 is amazing, Kid Poker. That's a lot. That is a lot of drawdown, brother. All right, let's take this one off here. Come on, get through there. Don't do Methodical Man dirty here. Oh my gosh. I took an opening trade, Stock Tiger, right at the open, and it was one tick away from my break even right there. Targeting the 58. And yeah, it ripped, and then it ripped lower. I mean, it's fine, right? It's fine. Take me out of the first position, please, sir. Please, ma'am. Whatever you are. Whatever you are. You're a nice girl that you take home to mom. Take me out of the first position, please, and thank you. I'm being very kind. Please and thank you. Please and thank you, I say. I got to get out of one of these. I'm too over leveraged here. I want it to take me out on its own. All right. I'm going to look for the dumpage. We're going to go for the 970s. We're going to be aggressive. We're going to trail our stop once we hit this low pretty aggressively. What up, Andy? How you doing? Yeah, let's get through the low, brother. Let's get through the 22K. Come on, push it lower. Push it. Locking in 11 points there. I actually don't love that spot. I think the 70 is in play here. But the problem is that I've not taken profit on, been up $300 one time before. So I have to lock something low in here. You're going to swing short, so your targets are way lower. I don't know, Neo. Mancini has a sell at 6135. All right, stop me out. That's okay. Back to green there, at least. On this account, it probably goes lower still. Man, this thing's holding. We could look for a re-entry, but kind of feels wrong. A retest of the VWAP maybe. We are at the whole number though. So kind of does make sense to bounce there. I'll re-enter short here again. I think it still goes lower. Dom, dom, dom. Test of there. Retest of the VWAP. Kind of want to be like a little bit aggressive here. I think I am going to be. If we get a retest of that 9, I'm going to add back in with a second mini. Oh, what happened there? Where'd my target go? That's weird. Boom, 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 boom. What's your lower targets, Greg? I think I'm going to flatten here and re-enter. Oh, maybe a VWAP touch. See if we get back through the lows. Need a rip. A rip lower, Matty Matt? All right, can we go now? Push into the 70. Get through that 90. 90 is going to be a key level. If we can get through that 90, we can just run. Ripper. Come on, get back through there. I think a 920. That's possible for sure. It's definitely possible. Get through the 90, here we go. We run into the 70. That 90, you almost always get a bounce there at the 90. A little 90 drama, we like to say. Gold is ripping. Need to retest that 90 one more time and get through there. Let's see here. Just got to get through the 90. Get through the 90, we go. I mean, we could trade all the way back down to 855, Greg, to be honest with you. 866, you got equal lows down there after sweeping those highs. That could be a decent target if you want to try to leave some sort of runner on if you're in micros. Equal lows. Check out the 15-minute chart. Equal lows at 866 is a potential target. That was Tom Sabo's guaranteed level from yesterday. So it could go there. You never know. Sounds crazy, but it's only 100 points. 130 points from where we're at. I'm considering just going ahead and taking my profit. If Tom's guarantee level, then I must close my shorts right now. It was Tom's level from yesterday. He didn't hit it. We didn't hit it. Yeah, we can do eyes and 10. Yeah, we could. We could. I do think if we break the 90 here, we go with some speed into the low 70. We break the 90, we go to the low 70. So let's see what happens. Got the stop sitting at 5 points. I don't love this bounce back above the whole number here, getting back above the 9. Might move the stop up to here. We'll see what happens at the 21 and the VWAP. Coming up on 10:30 here, about 5 more minutes. All right, taking another shot at the 90 here. Let's see what happens. See what happens. Get back to this 90 level here. I want to see a quick push through. Initial balance is set in 5 minutes as well. Should see a good move about 5 minutes from close. Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. I want to see the rip right through there. Let's just go. It's putting me through some pain and anguish. Not looking for anything crazy here. Just look for the 71. Can you open the chart which shows percentage of open longs and short? I don't have that. That's going to be the Topstep X, Project X. I don't have that. I think that's what you're talking about. we just get back below that 90, I think we go. All right, now I'm going to test the 90. Trying to get back down there. ES made a new low. Bouncing off the 46. Key level down there, 43 on the ES. If it tests the 43, it should take us to the 71. Should. Two minutes till the next 5-minute candle. A little less than 2 minutes. Is she going to be a nice girl? Yeah, there's no momentum, fish lips. Is she going to be very nice, though, and break that 90 level? And be the kind of girl you take home to mom and head down into the 70? Is that what she's going to be? Let me just rub her back. Let me rub her back. Maybe she'll get there. Oh, goodness. The pain and anguish is real. All right, if we break the 90, I think we go. Let's see here. Come on, just break it. Break the 90, no double bottom. Small sweep of the low there. Don't love it. This is now going to be... This is going to be initial balance in less than a minute. I'm impersonating ICT. I don't know. Is that what he does? Is that what he does? No way. No way, bro. All right. I want to see this hold below. So I'm going to go ahead and lock in, 10 points. Should I go 10 points or should I just go break even? I think I've been patient enough with it. All right, this is now initial balance low, which I don't love, actually. All right, I'm going 10 points. All right, it is what it is. I tried it. Once initial balance kind of closed there, it kind of is my sign just to get out. What up, Trader Oracle? How you doing? She wants a mini skirt that wears a mini skirt with nothing under it and dances on Grandma's Christmas dinner table. You traded your dots up 18K? Let's go. Nice job. I traded my dots and I'm down 205, 208. I don't know. What's our range here? Like 100 points? 90-point range. 90-point range. I mean, we could reshort the VWAP maybe. Your stop at 985 almost swept. 2 points off, huh? Let's see. ES kind of back to the VWAP there-ish. I'm going to jump back in. Honestly, price action's bad. I don't think it's that bad. Went long on the 1 hour candle, swept after the short. Oh, you're long, Michael. It's not too bad, but I don't know. I mean, it is grindy. There's not a lot of gaps. Not great price action, let's be honest, but it's tradable, I suppose. I don't know if I should still be going for the 71 with initial balance low down here. I don't know. Dun, 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 dun. Maybe, Greg. You might be the only one that's not a mod. I modded a bunch of people when I was around 1,000 subs. So these are all people who have been here a long, long time, Greg. Not saying you haven't. I don't remember how long you've been here. But what up, Joseph? 22,005 took the short at sweep of the daily buy side. Do you know Greg Yoma? Or are you just trolling? All right, Yoma's unmodded. Yoma's unmodded. Let's unmod him. All right, if we break the Vawapis, I'm getting out. Oh, he's in your chat. You and Yoma go way back. Red light, green light. Did you guys used to play red light, green light? Red light, green light. I don't remember what else there was. Used to pee together in the woods. Nice. Nice. I was going to say something dirty, but we'll keep it to myself. Tom, you're in a short? Tom's in a short. The Tom Sabo guarantee did not hit yesterday, so we need someone to deliver some white dog poop to Tom Sabo. You're long? Come on, man. Come on, bro. What are you doing long? I'm short, bro. I'm short, bro. When do we long or short? I don't think we long. I think we short. The only question is, do I target the low here at 987 or do we target the 71? I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to reduce my stop. I'm going to risk 15 points here. You trade the inverse at Tom Sabo. Let's go. We go right. Yeah, we're going to go to the right. I don't know, up or down. Got to earn those Hungarian pesos. You got to. I mean, this could rip up. This entry I don't love. I do kind of feel like if it was going to go down, it probably would have already went down. But this is chop. Tom Sabo box right here. Good morning, live prop firm. I am down. I am long or short from kind of the bottom of the range. So if you are long, this is a decent area to long, I think. But, you know. Want to see us just hold here. Push lower. I kind of want to add into my short. Add into my short. Full port. One win currently in second trade, holding big swing short. Let's go. I'm right there with you. I want to add here, but should I? Feels like I should have added on the push up, not the push back down, huh? Could just suck me in on my ad and then rip my face off. Kind of want to see this close below this. Obviously, that would be a 1 minute inverse short. That would give us the idea that maybe we are going to continue lower. See if we get a big candle through there. DCA, DCA, DCA. Went short and earned some pesos. Let's go. Long, short, same difference. Yeah, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. Yes, pulling back there to 47. Initial balance low on the ES at 46.50. It's going to hit that before we do. So, could be interesting there. Approaching it now on the ES. Let's see if this 1 minute can close below. I want to see a nice sweep. $13 seconds left on this candle here. I wonder, should I target the 71? I do think it goes there. All right, ES is pushing lower, so I'm going to move my take profit. All right, stop to break even. I think we just wick right through here. Come on. Get on through there. I'm going to move this back up, actually. Logging in, 13 handles. Come on, rip it lower. Oh, well. Still an okay win, but 10.9 points. Don't fade me, bro. Tom, don't fade me, Tom. Don't fade me, bro. Oh. Jason, we're red. $200 times 14. Tom Sabo, don't fade me, bro. I'm about to get back in, Tom. You saw that IBL and thought of me. This is actually, I'm going to take this again, I think. I don't know if I am. Am I? Why not? We'll take it again. Take it again here. And I'm going to target the 73. It should be able to get through there this time, or 71. I'm going to go to break even and initial balance, though, because it might bounce there again. Should be weaker this time, though. Come on, bro. Just get through there. Get through there, buddy. Get through there. Be a nice girl. A nice girl that you take home to mom. Let's go. That's not getting through there. We want you to push right through there. See this nice little wick down here? You want to just go there and say, oh, that's not close. That's not far enough. I want to go lower. I want to go lower. Don't look at the charts. Just guess your way in and guess your way out. That's right. Quite comfy in your swing trade, Greg. Nice. I mean, I'm going to enter this 3, 4, or 5 times and just take profit each time, probably. You know? Maybe I can just drag this down and yell at it like Jay does, and then maybe it'll work. Get in there! Get through there! Sorry about your headphones. If you got on headphones there. Sorry about your ears. Just do it! Do I DCA into this? Put my stop up higher? I don't think so. I think I just drop it there. I told you I do that sometimes, and it doesn't work for me like it does for him. Dakota is long is a 70% win rate if we short. Well, we're short. But we could just put in a higher low here and go. This is trendline liquidity. I do talk about the trendline liquidity quite often. Like, it doesn't have to run all of it. It ran most of it so far. It doesn't have to run all of it, but you'd like it to. We talk about that all the time. All right, see what happens down here at the initial balance low again. See if it pops back through there. Okay, looking pretty good. All right, keep going. Come on. It wants to, it's just not doing it. Stop me out, dirty mother trucker. I'm going to re-enter again if it retests again. Man, I may have to re-enter here lower than I was before. I'm actually going to go in 2 this time. And I'm going to take 1 off there. And maybe we get our face ripped off. Could be. At least get me out of the first one here. I'd feel decent about it. That's not the right direction there, brother. No, I'm on minis, Marson. Just take 5 points on that first one there. Two wins, 1 loss. Going to call it a day before I give back more. Nothing wrong with that, Michael. It's not a bad idea. I'm kind of playing with fire a little bit over here. Apparently you didn't pass one of your evals yesterday, so now trying to pass 150k eval is killing me. Woo. All right, this might be the push. This might be the push lower. Raiders hired Pete Carroll. Nothing wrong with that, Francis. Nice. Nonstop. We're all right. Well, we'll look for another entry, I guess. Price action sucks. Yeah, it's not great. It's all right. I mean, it's tradable, but it's not. It's not going anywhere. Is the problem? Just not going anywhere. Maybe another VWAP retest. We will take that if we get it. All right, ES back to the VWAP. Nasdaq at the 50. We'll see what happens. NQ's just doing NQ stuff. I agree. Not doing great. 220, 22.1850 is the ceiling for now. It's right there at the VWAP, so I wouldn't mind it. All right, I'm going to jump in here kind of early, but ES back to the VWAP there. I think that might hold the ES down, hold the Nasdaq down too. We'll see. If it pops a VWAP, I'll just get out. We're down 200, Yoma. I took the trade at open. The 30-second long that triggered 30 seconds before open. I took it. It was 2 ticks away from break even. Two ticks away from break even. What can you do? I was up 7.75 points. So, these trades, Yoma, is just messing around. Yeah, it is a Buley funded. So, it is a Buley funded. Bulenox funded. Yeah, we're up 341 on it right now. Looking for a bigger move. I probably should just be taking 5-10 points. No, not showing well. Just willing to trade the Bulenox a little more aggressively. Let's check our payouts. Let's check our payouts. Let's see if they're approved. Under review. All right, is this going to be the push down? Now, what's the difference in this push down and the others? This is in the macro. So if this one doesn't get it, then we're probably not going to get it. We're in the macro time. So this should work if this is truly the draw. There's the close below the 1 minute. Break even stop's going to be down here at the 90 area. So let's see. Darrell's running the SS trailing drawdown. He's refueling. Fuel is expensive in the Bahamas. For sure. Do I add to this and take like a 20.25 tick scalp? I might. Holy cow, it's already ripped back up though. All right, I'm going to add to it. Try a little scalper-rooney here. See if we can get it. Too close there. I'm going to go ahead and move that stop. That stop for that one. Take a couple of points. Is this just going to be a higher low here? I don't know. Stock Tiger, this is just one funded account. Here's an 80% coupon. Try again. Exactly. Exactly. Just one funded account. I do think I'm going to go ahead and reduce risk on it, though. 97. Maybe like 13 points. $22,000 is the glue that holds us together. Something. Just on a single funded Stock Tiger, I can take a trade. I can take more than one on a single funded. Bulenox is not included in my copy trading because of the Bulenox rules that you're not supposed to copy. So for that reason, I don't have the same rules on Bulenox that I have on the others. All right, back below here, I'm going break even. I'm going to still manage this just like a normal trade. But for that reason, I also blow a lot more Bulenox accounts than I probably should, too, to be honest. If I had the same rules, then, you know, it'd be different. Yeah, let's get below the 92 there. I want to see a big candle below 92. Big candle to the downside. Getting a little twitchy here. It's a little weird. I'm going to go break even now. I didn't drop it yet. I really want to get it through that 92. Just risking 6 points at this point. If it gets up here, it's going to break the 9 and the 21, so... I mean, this is like the wall, the great wall. Just can't get through there. Double bottom. Come on, man. Left equal lows at 92.25. I like that it left equal lows, but man, it's annoying, right? We need the elevator. The Hungarian wall. You will win, futures trader. You will win. Ramzo, I'm not doing it because I don't want to cost them. I don't know if they're going to deny for a payout. No one's told me if they successfully done it without getting denied yet. So I don't really have any tips on it yet. Someone will have to kind of be the guinea pig there. So I don't have this linked in my, I don't have the Bulenoxes in my copy trader because of that. I trade them individually, which can be good, but it's also bad. Man, do I give this more room? I don't know. I think Alpine did it, no issues. Oh, okay. Do I give this more room? I don't know, man. Get through there already. The thing is, I know if it just gets through there, we probably get a decent sized candle, but I don't know if I want to wait for it. So, can you go long so I can pass the account? Yeah, Matty Matt. I can. I can indeed. I'm really trying to be patient with this thing hitting this low, because I'm okay with just moving my stop to break even then and seeing what happens. Triple bottom. You know what? Stop's just going in. I mean, you got triple lows down here. Come on, man. I'm trying to be patient here, but it is definitely testing my patience. 100-point range, yeah, definitely is. Just call Trump and move the market. I need to. Oh, I'm breathing. This is not... It's not stressful as far as money goes, because win or lose on this trade, I'm still in the green. So, like, it doesn't bother me as far as that goes. This is just more trying to be, like, patient with moving the stop. But, man, how's that such a hard level? That's such a hard level. Oh, goodness. Such a strong level here. I mean, ES is at initial balance low as well. It's like almost five equal lows there. Oh, hey, 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 let's go. Let's go. Finally busted out of there. We're still in the macro. 1 minute from the top of the hour. Now, this is my last try. If this doesn't work, you know, if you took profit on all these trades instead of moving the stop, you would have been done for the day. Probably Takamura. What up, Max? This is your trade of the day. 2 minis. Oh, should get it here. I don't want to say it too soon, but pushing below initial balance low. ES is already below there. When I watch the ES, if it taps the 143 first, I'm out. This needs to stay below that 92 now. This gets back above 92, I'm just going to get stopped. So hard getting through there, it needs to stay below that now. I mean, really? All that just to do that? The Sabo elevator. Welt Verspelt. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Oh, well. We tried it. I mean, that's the top of the hour there, and we just ripped right back higher. I don't know. I mean, I tried that. What were we up there? 15 points, basically. This is trash, but... could kind of pop back up into the VWAP. So weird. I don't know. I'm scared to try it again now. It's probably just going to go without me. All right, he said it was the last time, but one more try. Holy cow. It like dumped right when I pressed the button. All right, out on the first. Break even on the second. I'm not going to make the same mistake this time. We're going to trail and at least lock in something. Maybe not. Did put in a little OB there, but it's just choppy. All right, now I'm trailing. Lock in 4 points here. Ripper. Come on, go. This should run quickly through here. Come on. You can do it. All right, I'm just going to take it off. It's going to run it, but, you know. Please take profit this time. There you go, Tekamura. Tech TFTT filed bankruptcy. We're all part of it now. Bankruptcy court initiated the clawback. Nope, that's not how it works. Tech T. I watched that video and she's completely wrong. Completely wrong. That's not how bankruptcy works. As someone who worked in the bankruptcy court for many, many years, that's not how it works. But, you know, people can think what they want, but that's not how things work. Yes, can they claw back, like if you got paid the day before they closed or something? Sure. But anybody who received payouts, you know, weeks before they closed, you're fine. They're not going to take money back from the consumer. And anyways, Chapter 7 is a liquidation bankruptcy. So what that means is anybody who's ever been involved in bankruptcy, how many times does a liquidation bankruptcy pay back 100% of its creditors? Almost never, especially not in America. A liquidation bankruptcy typically pays 1%, 10%, 20%, right, on the dollar. But, yeah, so I wouldn't worry about it at all. I mean, unless you got money like the day before they closed, a few days before, I wouldn't worry about it. All right, it hit, but it just took forever. It was only 20 points on that trade, too. Oh, well. But, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't worry about it. I wouldn't worry about it really at all, but I know some people still be concerned with it. I don't think we see anything from it as far as, even if you're owed money. People who are like, oh, they're going to pull back money and pay me. Like, yeah, they're going to pay you 1% of what they owed you. So if you're owed $1,000, you're going to get paid, you know, whatever, $1. So it's not going to, you know, wouldn't worry about it. $887 first day on this Bulenox funded. That was all that right there that you guys saw. Took all those trades live. They were all winners. They were all winners. No losers in here. No losers. There was some losers. There was a couple of losers right there. So, couple of losers. But yeah, I don't think as far as that bankruptcy goes, I don't think it's a big, like, it's not a big deal. If you want losers, go to Tom. That's right, go to Tom Sabo. Now, this initial balance low play, do we risk $200 of our profits for this initial balance low? Now, we did run the liquidity there. Greg's comfy. I mean, we could go lower, Greg, for sure. We certainly could. All right. Let me get logged in over here. I need to find an account to trade. I might pick up I was thinking about getting a My Funded Futures. Starting back up with them. I haven't traded them in a little minute here. Music, you need 20 points. All right, there's 20 points right off the 71.75 level. Boom. Oh. A little rip right back up here. Interesting. There is a 30-second long potential here. You do have LR up above as well. This is not bad looking, actually. You got a nice break-even spot. I might take this. Maybe not. Did not close above there on the 30-second. Did not close above. You'd have to jump in on momentum. ES is trading right into the VWAP, so this could just get slapped right back down. You are hitting the short-term 1-minute trend line here, too, that we kind of grinded. Darn it. I mean, I'll stab it. It's going to be stop to break even right there, though. All right, break even. I mean, quick and easy. Break even is what it is. Cost me a few bucks, actually. Oh, you can't full party this PA. It sucks. Yeah. Big drop in the 10-year yield. Horrible lack of continue. Yeah, Joseph, this is the way it's been all day. This is a break of a trend line. A little trend line break here. I mean, you can maybe take this up into the VWAP if you have confidence in it. ES is at the VWAP's the only problem. That's why I was like, let's just go break even. Koper didn't lock in the profits. Oof. Gotta lock in them profits. I think a VWAP touch is in order. All right. This week's been terrible. That's not good, Koper. I hate that. Hate to hear that. I mean, yes, kind of breaking the VWAP here. I don't know. I'm kind of tempted to jump in long here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm thinking of something that I kind of heard once. I'm going to go ahead and put this right here, and let's see if maybe we can get this play here. Something like this. We left triple equal highs up there too, looks like. See if we get a little retest bounce. We'll go break even back above those equal highs. All right, we're in. So we're going to go break even back above here. Because we want to see a big-ish candle through there. But we do got to get back above the 50 there with some confidence. All right, looks like we are. Well, at least we tried. Be patient with it here. Should probably just take the 10 points there, huh? At the triple equal highs. That'd probably be the smart play. I'll just take the 10 points here. I think I might. Now, explain to me. Come on now, I was about to say. All right, up $1,033 now. I just take the 10 points. I mean, I think you could even target VWAP here. It's reasonable. Your ass is hurting. Your dog crate is not the most comfortable one. Dude, you got to bark at your owner more, Max. You got to bark at him, tell him to get you a more comfortable seat to sit in. Oh. Get you a more comfortable seat. So got to push through the triple equal highs. Didn't really get the candle that we were expecting, so I don't love this now. ES did make its way above the VWAP, though. I'm not your owner, Max. You can't be wolfing at me. You can't be doing it. All right. I don't know if I want to push my luck on this PA here up $1,000. Yeah. So let's look and see. You were looking at your master. 1K in 1 day. No, it's 1 day music. It's all these trades you've been seeing me take here. We're up 1,033 today. 50K account, you can make 1440 in 1 day. So I do music, but Bulenox cannot be copied across the other ones, and so for that reason, I trade Bulenox individually, which is a good thing and a bad thing because that means I take more trades, as I did today. I mean, what did we take? Loser. That was a loser. That's a break even. So 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I took 12, 13 trades. 12 trades. Why does Bitcoin explode up out of its current range? Or I think it goes down? I have no idea, Joseph, on Bitcoin. I've never even looked at the chart, to be honest with you. This has to hold the 90 level or it pushes back up. You copy trade BX. Yeah, I'm going to start 2Tech T. Someone, I think, was that you earlier that said Matt? Or I may DM, I might DM Alpine and ask just to make sure. So, but hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Let me run to the restroom right quick. All right, we're back. TB, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Holding the trend line here. This will be a good long spot. This is kind of what I was saying. Got to hold this area. You got IBL, you got the 90, you got the trend line. This will be the breakout, retest, and then go. Higher, low, and go, right? We look for a long. That's what we look for. Put it down in the books. That's what you look for. Are we no longer in the macro here, but price definitely looks weak. I mean, you could still draw lower. We do still have this down here. The equal lows. Where are those equal lows at? Don't I have them marked out anymore? They're at 860. Where were they at? Where was the Tom Sabo guarantee at yesterday? I don't know where it went. The equal lows were down here somewhere. I thought they were 860s. Gotta squint. All right, this wick is pretty obvious. Nope. Trying to remember where those equal lows, right there. 866. And then the that overnight low there, 855. There we go. So you got a little bitty. These are right next to each other. I don't put a lot of weight in those. But you do have LRLR here. Like, eventually, this is going to be a good draw. You know, kind of got some LRLR. Not great, but it's, you know, something. Like I said, I think it's a good spot to go long, but so let's see. Got to figure out what I want to trade. Do we want to get a eval or not? An evaluation account. Do we want to do it? Let's go to Take Profit Trader and see. Anybody else have problems getting on to Take Profit Trader on their PC? Mine says 404 not found. I can't get on there. I can't get on there. I have to use my phone, which is kind of annoying. Let's see how we get on there and let's see if we can get us an account. Maybe we'll Take Profit Trader. We'll try to pass one. Yes, I use phone. It works for you, Tech T. I don't know why it doesn't work for me. I have no idea. I can't figure it out. I have no idea. But it just does not work for me. Look at that boner candle. We called it out, guys. We called it out. We didn't take it. But we called it. There's another 30-second long here, which is fine. But it's probably going to be invalid. Yeah. Well, not quite yet. Double top. Probably will be invalid. Let's see. It's not invalid yet. It'd probably be a break-even trade at least. Let me see here. All right, here's the close. I'm going to try it. So back above that high there, we'll go break even. So if it gets above that high there, we're going to put stop in at break even. ES above the VWAP here. Looking like we should go. Oh, that sucks, Vince. It happens. Works for you too, Predator. Got to dial a number first. I must have to. Might just double top here. Let's see. Again, risking 10 points, so maybe I should push this up a little more, though. I was only going to just take the 6 points, but let's go for the 10, I guess, since we're risking 10. Keep it at a 1-to-1. So that's where our break even is. Had a really short break even. That's why I took it. It's not an A setup or anything. I just thought, it's got a short break even. We'll take it. But that might cost us. We'll see. We will see what we get. Can she go? Can she go? She can't go. She can't go. Giving it time. He had an interesting weekend recently with a girl. He was in love from the first dip. This is not really the reaction you want when you enter a trade, huh? It's not really the reaction we want. It's building strength. Doing something. It's doing something. We need that big green Hulk boner candle that someone likes to call out. The Hulk boner. Oh, we are right here at the hole number 2. I really didn't even notice that. Hulk smash. The Hulk boner. Man, it's struggling to even give me 3 points. Yeah, I mean, that's almost always a break-even trade at least, I guess. That's why I took it, but we did take some heat on it. And if I would have taken my 5 points, nope, still wouldn't have got 5 points. I mean, we might could just take it at the 10. Got a wick right here at the 10. Let's see how it reacts. All right, I'm going to move up. Stop. Go! Oh. Oh, goodness. Sorry, Predator. Appreciate you. You're done for the day trading minutes. Appreciate you. Got to break the ice here from I think she's by far the best trader out there. I don't know about that, Max, but thank you. We do appreciate it. I try to follow my rules. I try to be, semi-reasonable. 11:04. I probably will link that tomorrow. You went 7 minis? Oh, man. In your PA account, you usually do 7 micros. Went negative, then got back, so I'm out of the consistency rule. Kamau, it depends. But not all is lost. If you're green, then all you got to do is trade until you get to the profit target. Once it says request payout, just request the payout. Then you just got to make $50 for the next 5 days. You got to trade 8 days, but you can flip 3. No, is it 2? I think you got to make $50 a day for the next 5 or 6 days. Is that right? And then you'll be fine. You just take a payout then. So it's not the end of the world. It sucks, but it's not the end of the world. $2, 190 cents for the day. Now chilling. Let's go. So, yeah, if you broke the rule, once you request the payout, it should Pretty sure it resets the rules, right, for the next 8 days. So you just have to trade 8 more days. So it's okay. I mean, it sucks. Don't get me wrong. Costing you time. But I think they count, Anna, I think you have to have a $50 green day to count as a trading day after you have been denied a payout. Someone correct me if I'm wrong there. But you got to count as a trading day. So in order to do that, you got to do it that way. All right, let's go my funded futures. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it's fine to make more. Yeah. And also what will happen is you'll be able to take a larger payout because you're going to build a bigger buffer. And so you'll be able to take a larger payout, which is, you know, not bad. $50 is for 5 days. Okay, that's what I was thinking. I wasn't sure, but I was thinking it was something like that. Just getting started. Stay after they forced us out. We getting that 2025 yet or what? What are we getting, Maddie? I'm not getting anything. Oh, you talking about the payouts or what? I don't know. So would have hit my target there if I'd have just moved my stop to break even, right? No, it would have got me. Yeah, it would have got me. The NQ, I don't know. The NQ's been kind of garbage. I mean, it's not. I mean, we look at the price action today. I'm not mad at the trade that I took. Like, in hindsight, and only in hindsight, I probably should have moved the stop when we came that close. This triggered, you know, 30 seconds before open. And that push up was, I was long from down here. Somewhere on this pullback, or somehow, where did I get long at? It went 7 points. I didn't even see. Oh, right here. If I would have got in just a little bit earlier. But you can see this was my break even, and I missed it by 2 ticks. So I would have went break even right there. I mean, in hindsight, I probably should have just took the 7 points, but you get yourself in trouble by doing that because then you start taking short profit, and I've been doing that. I'm trying to stop doing that. It's almost better to take the loss because next time you could have got, you know, I could have maybe got 20 points if I had only taken. And I've done that a couple times during this little run I've had here. So, yeah, very slow fish slips. And I'm going to go ahead and buy another account from my funded futures. I don't know if any of these accounts are. All right. Giving Apex a try, pass the eval, signing the stuff now. What's the monthly payment start when you started the eval or when you passed the eval? So if you pass the eval, Dan, there's no monthly payment. Just select the lifetime payment, the lifetime agreement for $85. But yeah, if you are talking about the eval payment, then yeah, it's when you start it. All right, I'm trying to remember what's the difference in the starter plus and the starter. Starter plus has 3 contracts, 2K drawdown, 3K profit target, consistency rule in the eval, no consistency rule once funded. Starter has no consistency rule in eval, but consistency when you're funded. Okay. So I think I would rather to have, I don't know if the consistency rule once funded even matters to me though. Yeah, I'd rather go with the starter, I think. So let's go with the starter. Now, Kid Poker, this price action's tough. Anybody have a My Funded Futures code that I can use? I don't know if Tom has one or not. Does he? Tom Sabo. I guess Tom does have one. Anybody in the chat have one? Vola had one. Psst. Vola makes enough money. 0JJ. Psst. He makes enough money. I'm trying to help someone small. Pine Tree. Does Pine Tree have one? All right, let me try Pine Tree. No? What's Pine Tree's code? Yeah, we could go Tiger, I guess. He doesn't have one either. I don't know if there's anybody that actually has one now that they kind of did away with the whole you had to make a certain amount or they got rid of you. I don't know. I don't know who has a code. I mean, Tom Sabo does. He already has enough Hungarian dollars. I save 5% if I use ACH. Let's just do that. I'll save the 5%. I'll save the 5%. You guys find me a code while I'm saving the 5%. Chemo. Who's Chemo, Vince? Whose code is that? Is that Keyamber Trades? I don't know who Chemo is. What is the what? Come on, bro. Asking me these questions. Yeah, hitting the VWAP here. Looks like we're about to rip it. Oh, it's a small YouTuber? All right. Let me put his code in then. Chemo. All right, Chemo's getting credit. We're saving 5%. So it's costing us $92. Error processing. What? What's wrong with this thing? It wouldn't let me use my thing. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. That's the right checking account. It says working. All right, let's try it again. Yeah, this, if you were looking for a short below the 71 area, I mean, that was a really good soup. Little soup area there. I mean, we probably should have seen that coming. So, probably should have seen that one coming. We did not. ACH. All right. Submit. Oh. Why didn't I give me the... It didn't give me the 5% off. Bro, where's my 5% off? Why is it not letting me? It's not going through with ACH. It says insufficient funds. And I mean, there's hundreds of pennies in there. Hundreds of pennies. I don't know what's going on. It's not letting me use it. I guess we'll just have to use the card and not get the 5% off. Rude. Who has the cheapest 50K evals? Andrew. Bulenox really 75% off right now. Upfront cost is about as cheap as you're going to get. If you're looking for overall cost, then my funded futures, $92. That's no activation fee on those accounts. Or you can go 50% off Take Profit Trader. This thing, man. Yeah, it is just trying to get up your funded accounts one time because the bank wouldn't sell. Yeah, it's ridiculous. It just told me suspected fraud now. Suspected fraud. You usually ask the wife when you see insufficient funds. Yeah, I know it. Is there any money in there? The payouts haven't hit yet. Still under review. Automatic report has been sent to police. Yeah. I'm trying to get this eval so I don't take any more trades on my funded account. Because, like, I would have taken this probably VWAP bounce. VWAP lining up with the 9 inside a fair value gap. Come on, man. Why is it so hard to buy a flipping eval? I don't have this problem with anybody else. Should have took that. The market is just not moving, though. These 1 minute candles are 4 points. My funded future tape out trader in Bluesky. Yeah, I don't know about... I signed up for a thing with Bluesky. I think the code's MM. I think it's in the description, maybe. I don't know. I've never used them, though. What do you guys think? Let me do a quick poll with you guys. I want to see what you guys think. So, should we be so what I mean by this is, should we just get a code with everybody? Oh, I guess I could have I need to edit that. We need to edit that. Hold on. I didn't put a question mark on there. Prop firm slut. Yes or no? Because I feel like, I don't know, some people judge you for having a code with everybody. But, you know. So what I mean, Anna, is should I just get a code for me for you guys to use with every single prop firm out there? No matter whether I believe in them or not, whether I trade them or not. There's certain YouTubers who have that. There's YouTubers who have 25 or 30 different codes for different prop firms. This thing still won't let me buy this. So it just keeps saying suspected fraud. After I already said yes, that it's not fraud. I mean, come on, man. I literally just said this and you said to retry the charge. Give it a couple more minutes. Just seeing you the 50K eval already. Fish lips, I don't know. You should have a code only with the ones I trade. Tech T, that's currently what I do. Except for I'm not really trading Fideas. Yeah, I do have an account with Day Trader, so I haven't set it up yet. But I did buy one. Actually, I forgot about that account. Let's do that. Let's set that account up. I haven't set the connection up with them yet. So, yeah, come out. The thing is, though, I have no idea if they're going to rug pull you or not. You know what I mean? Get the ones that you trust. Don't have to trade with them personally. The biggest question, do you want to make more money with affiliation? Yeah, of course, Anna. I mean, everybody wants to make the most money. So, good point, Kamal. Good point. Yeah, and that's the thing. Like, I mean, there's a couple of YouTubers out there. I mean, I don't really have to say names. You guys already know, I'm sure, who have codes with everybody and their brother. I don't really do that just because, I don't know, because of what happened with Fast Track. I've kind of treaded a little more carefully since then. Oh my goodness, man. This thing. It won't let me buy this eval for nothing. I guess I'm going to use a credit card. But at the end of the day, it's all about, because like, I know a lot of you guys trade with, like, some people are trading with Funded Futures Family. I'm probably not going to trade with them, but, you know, some people trade with, I don't even know. There's a huge list. I mean, we've got so many. Here's the thing. Like, by having more codes, you can get more free accounts, right? To be able to give away and stuff. This looks like a really good, this will be a good draw here. It's probably where we're headed. 22.038. If we get a chance here, I might get in, even though I said I wasn't going to take more trades on this. Maybe we risk $100, so that'll be a pretty tight stop. See if we can get this here. Something like this. See if we can get that. But if you got payouts and you say you have good customer service, I'll try them. Yeah. Come out. I would like to try some other people. It's just like, it really is hard with having the 20 funded accounts with Apex to kind of plop more people in there. Futures Desk, I'm not sure who they are. I've never used them. Some people I've seen trade them. I think that they've been around for a minute. Somebody can help me with that if I'm wrong there. I don't know. So, but let's be honest, guys. Nobody, I mean, here's the thing, like what you have to understand, not any YouTuber or any influencer knows if a company is going to pay you or rug pull you. Like, we just don't. At least I don't. And I don't think most YouTubers have access to that information. So, they are expensive. Okay. Yeah, I don't know who Futures Desk is. I've never used them. But you guys can toss some examples in the chat there. Like I said, I only have codes currently with Fideas and Day Traders. I just got those, and I haven't traded with them yet. I do have an account with Day Traders. I have not bought a Fideas account yet, but I have not traded the Day Traders one yet. I know Day Traders is a carbon copy of the old Apex. And then, obviously, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Apex, Bulenox, Tick, and Tradeify. That's it. It's the only ones I have. So, I don't know. Look at that thing. Did not get us there. Did not come back and tag us in. Get a little bit personally if you talk bad about the prop firm they're promoting. Yeah. I really don't. I leave the prop firm business up to you guys as far as like, I mean, I'll make a video if something, you know, like, I'm not going to make a video about stuff I don't have like direct knowledge of. If you get what I mean. Left equal highs there. Come on, pull back here and tag me in. Triple equal highs? All right, we'll take it. Tag me in here. You're not buying any? Yeah, I mean, it makes sense, right, Andrew? You could just get codes with everyone, but split the list between known traded firms. That is true. That is true, John. That's a good point. So, come out. I like it. Yeah, I love 90%. Bulenox is one of my favorite props, guys. Even though I don't have a bunch of accounts with them yet, and it's because I've not been copy trading them. I am like too aggressive with those accounts, and that's why I say the copy trading helps me, because the one trade per day keeps me in line. If I don't have that, and I'm like, it's just one account, I can make 1,000, but I could blow it too the same day. Come on, don't tickle my entry here. There we go. All right, we're in. So we're only risking 100 here to try to get like 125. So we're either going to be up 1,000 or we're going to be up 12, like 1240, 1250, something like that. Oh, Bulenox is 90% again, is it? I don't think so. I don't know, but let me look. Come on, rip it up here. I mean, I wouldn't be shocked. Currently 75% off. Yeah, Anna. Trust me, I know. I mean, I feel like I work hard with my channel. I try to I don't post on social media a lot. I'm not doing controversial stuff. But I do work hard to try to provide value. And to be honest, I'm probably making, like, a lot of people see what I make and they're like, oh, it's a lot of money. I'm not saying it's not. But there's people who've done a lot less who make a lot more. So, you know, because of the controversy and stuff like that, that's the stuff that that kind of pays there, if you know what I mean. Controversy pays. Come on. Let's rip it up here. I think I'm going to go to break even. I'm going to go to break even because I don't want to see us lose the 9. And if we do, I think it moves lower. So we do have the triple. You know what? We do have the triple equal highs, though. Got it. Let's go. Yeah, I like Bulenox a lot. I really do, Kamal. Or Andrew. Value area high 22031. Mucho resistance. So, wish you could get on the affiliate game. You can, Matty Matt. The space is so saturated now. It really is. So, it's very, very saturated. Yeah, I'm not going to say names. I don't want to offend anybody. $12.25. Maybe we should say names. Maybe that's the key to success. No, but I mean, I'm just saying, you know, controversy sells. What do you call it? There's no such thing as bad publicity, I guess is what they say. Look at that 0 drawdown trade I just laid out for you guys. 5.5 points. Who took that? Oh, Andrew, you don't like Apex? Did you have a problem with getting your payout? So, oh, they wanted an explanation for days you didn't trade? Yeah, that's crazy. I've never had a problem with them. So, yeah, Ash, nothing wrong with that. I always encourage everybody, if you want to do it, to do it. Understand, I streamed for the first year without making any money. So, I streamed to 10, 12, 15 people for, over a year, around a year, until I really started gaining some traction and that sort of thing. It is not an overnight thing. And here's the deal. Like last year, you guys did a great job with the affiliates and y'all beat me with my payouts. But I feel like my trading this year is so much more locked in. I expect to blow the affiliates out of the water. I mean, I'm expecting to have some 40, 50K payout months. So that's my expectation, and that's what I'm going to do. That's the plan. 1 trade per day. Keep it simple. 20 accounts. Next month, we have the opportunity to get 3 payouts. As long as we can get a payout secured by Tuesday, I think we can get 8 trading days 3 times in the next month. So Appreciate you, Coper. The good old days. Your favorite tour, Take Profit Trader? Yeah, I like Take Profit Trader too. I just, for whatever reason, I struggle with them to get. I get funded and then I just struggle with them. Even when I'm not funded, I just get struggle with them. So, yeah, I mean, I still think we probably move lower, Coper. I mean, I would like to see us clear out the 860s, but I don't know, man. We never took out the 22-111, so that's buy side. We've been calling that out for 2 days, so we got like that 22-111 up there. I think this is kind of the key zone here to kind of see what the rest of the day is going to be like. You know, what happens here. So I kind of had that level marked out there. I think that's a good target if you are currently long. And then I would take profit there, and you can hold a runner. So I don't really know what's going to happen, but potentially. So why do I think I struggle? I don't really struggle, Ash. I think I struggle with the single accounts because I'm more aggressive. If I had those, oh, you're talking about with Take Profit Trader. Probably because I am just too aggressive. That's probably what it is. Well, I know that's what it is. I'm just too aggressive. So, just too aggressive. That's all. It's a mentality thing. But we do have one funded account with them now, so down $200 on that today. We're going to try to just lump that in with the 20 funded accounts and take the trade on that. One trade a day, one trade at a time. So, giveaways at 300, then 500. I remember, then 1,000. Now history. Yeah. It's not Take Profit Trader itself. I think it's just the draw of the daily payouts. So, yeah, it's just a mentality thing. That's all it is. Getting a pullback there, falling short of the 038 level. We are in the macro time. Maybe we do move lower here. Do we have an SMT here with the ES? Let's see. Yeah, no, we actually don't. Do we? Oh, we do. It's not a big one. Point of control, 2207, 22007. Let's wick back here. Wow. Healthy pullback. Might just go back for the lows again. Hey, Greg, are you still sitting in the short? Was that Greg that was in the short? Who was in that short earlier? Somebody. I don't know if they got out. Look at this elevator down. Look at that grind up, and then look at this elevator down. That's what we talk about, right? How it does sometimes. Man, do I... I wanted to jump in here, but I'm not going to. You were in the short. Yeah, Gregor, did you get out? Timber, I'd say Matty Matt. The NQ has shat the bed. You do, you set and forget. Oh, okay, good. That's a good policy, I think. I'm going to take a stab here with a 5-point stop. I think a 5-point stop might get me wrecked. I think I can actually go for 10 points. I'm actually going to take a stab here. I'm going to risk a little more. I'm going to go 10 points. It could just rip me to pieces here, but I want to see this gap hold and just push back down to these equal lows. I think that's reasonable. So we'll go 5 points in profit, and then I'll go break even. So like right now. Get me my 10 points here if we can. There we go. Booyah. Booyaka. $1,421 day one on the funded account there. Now, if you're wondering why I took that trade, I'll kind of tell you why. It's a late entry for sure. But if you see what happened here, just a death candle right through this, closed below. So it's okay for this to push back up. I figured it would form a 1 minute gap, maybe around the 05 area. So I was okay shorting at the whole number, thinking that would turn into a little resistance since we had this previous inversion or this inverse here. Because that's the first fair value gap in the leg, really. I mean, that's obvious. I mean, I guess there's one here, but there was no entry on that one. So just took 10 points. Again, we said earlier, this thing could push down into the 860s. Not outside the realm of possibility there. Greg said, let there be Bud. Just hit the value area low, wait for 2007. Yeah, pretty close to where I was, fish lips. I mean, I was 7 points under that. But I don't know. I felt like it was an okay. Just looking for 10. So, I was okay with it. Yes, also hit the VWAP right in here when we took profit. So, coming up on the top of the hour now. I want to see some expansion lower here. Just get through this wick and just continue lower. Again, you got sort of LRLR here. And then you got these lows down here at the 900. Equal lows down there at the 860s, potentially. Another 100 points to the downside. Possible. Kid Poker up $300. Let's go. Did we even get... We didn't get signed up with the My Funded Futures, did we? It didn't let us. All right, let me try to do that again. Submit. Hey! Oh. Did it go through? Yeah. I thought it did it on a different card, but it didn't. All right, it went through. About time. Yeah, Kid Poker, I think that's plenty to work with. 1,000 in drawdown. All right, guys, I do need to go get this beard, something done with this beard, and, you know, get a haircut and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and call it here. Maybe we'll be back for the power hour. Let me look at the prop firm slut. 64% yes, 35% no. I mean, that's pretty reasonable, people thinking that I should just get the codes. So maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do kind of what Kamal was talking about, or someone. Can't remember who it was, made the suggestion. We'll put ones that we trust and ones that are unknown, that sort of thing. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to help support the channel, please use my codes. And we will be back probably Sunday for some sort of back testing session, but Monday at the latest for 9:15 a.m. for the New York session. Enjoy your weekend. Trade safe. Protect those profits. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.